The science behind the carbs to lose weight calculator. In the ever-evolving world of weight loss, one question seems to persistently linger. How many carbs should one consume to shed those extra pounds? Fortunately, science has come to the rescue with the Carbs to Lose Weight calculator, a tool designed to demystify the intricate relationship between carbohydrates and weight loss. Understanding the basics. Carbs are a primary source of energy, fueling our daily activities and bodily functions. However, not all carbs are created equal. Simple carbohydrates, found in sugary snacks and refined grains, provide a quick energy boost but are often accompanied by a crash. The role and the science behind the Carbs to Lose Weight calculator. This approach recognizes the uniqueness of each individual's metabolism and lifestyle, acknowledging that a one-size-fits-all solution simply doesn't cut it. Navigating the numbers. Let's break down the numbers generated by the Carbs to Lose Weight calculator. Suppose you're a moderately active 30-year-old woman weighing 150 pounds with a goal of losing 1 pound per week. The calculator may suggest a daily caloric intake of 1,800 calories, with an allotted 40% of those calories coming from carbohydrates. Adapting to individual needs. It's important to note that the calculator's recommendations are not set in stone. Individuals with specific dietary preferences or medical conditions may need to tweak their carbohydrate intake accordingly. For instance, those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet may choose to reduce their carb intake further, while athletes may require additional carbs to fuel their rigorous training regimes. Beyond carbs, the holistic approach. While the Carbs to Lose Weight calculator plays a pivotal role, it's important to recognize that weight loss is a multifaceted journey. Nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Physical activity, sleep, and stress management also play crucial roles in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. The pitfalls of extreme measures. While the lure of quick fixes and extreme diets may be tempting, they often lead to short-term results and long-term frustration. Severely restricting carbohydrate intake or adopting unbalanced diets can jeopardize your health and make sustainable weight loss elusive. By understanding the role of carbohydrates, personalizing recommendations, and adopting a holistic lifestyle, users can embark on a transformative journey that extends beyond shedding pounds to embracing overall well-being. Remember, it's not just about the numbers on the scale, it's about cultivating a healthier and happier you. For more information, visit the links in description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.